Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you really had a good weekend, right? So markets are really adamant to come on the downside, right? I really don't know what is holding the market, but before going into the market, let me tell you something about our website. We have a very vibrant or very good looking website which is optionsense.com, for which the link is on the description below. And why am I saying this is because we have many strategies here, like there are more than 60 strategies here. You can go and explore if you want, or if you want to learn things, kind of things like from basic strategies to sideways strategies to vertical strategies. All kind of strategies are available in this website. Of course, we are updating the more strategies in the website. For now time being, there are really good number of strategies. So if you want, you can explore these strategies from A to Z, from examples to gamma to delta to vega, advantages, disadvantages, everything is available in the website, right? So all you have to do is go to optionsense.com and go in the home page. You will find explore strategies. Then you have to just click explore, then you can find all the strategies available. Of course, this is not, there is no any charges. It's of course free of charges, right? Okay, now coming back to our markets. Now I'm sure you know that I have shorted call option. Now I have been waiting for a long time. I have shorted more call option, like from 18,000 all the way to 18,500 call options I have shorted. Now if the market goes up, I will have to break my head. I will have to do all kind of circus to limit my losses, or even maybe bring it to some small profit, right? Because I have shorted so much call option. In case the market shoots up, I'll be in great trouble. But in case the market even moves down by 100 points, I'll be in profit. Today morning, like we saw, markets were kind of a gap down, right? But every gap down is kind of being taken out. I don't know why. What is the reason? There is no reason. Like, you need some reason for the markets to go on the higher side, right? But what is the good news? What is the positive news? What is the momentum? There should be a buying momentum for the markets to go at least to 18,000. Now, people in our Telegram group, by the way, we have a very vibrant Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join. We discuss many things regarding trading in that group, right? Now, if the market wants to go on the upside, you really need a momentum. So what is the momentum? Is it earnings season? Earnings season is almost over. It is over, in fact, right? And is there any Fed news? That is also gone. So everything is being factored into, and market is not finding a good reason, need a good reason to be on the upside or to go on the upside. That is where we are missing, and that is the simple reason why I have shorted, right? So let's see how things pan out. I am expecting a downside. Not only me, if you see, FIIs have also shorted heavy. In fact, they are 80% short in the market. So I expect today US market is closed, and that is why if you see the US markets, US Dow Jones future is up by, it's almost flat, but Europe is down. FTSE is down by 0.5%. Germany is down by 2.5%. France is down by 1.62%. Today, Asia Pacific opened at red. Japan was flat. China was in the red. So everything we are in the red. China has its own problem. There are There are cluster of cities which is being put on lockdown, right? So China is having its own problem, and we don't have any problem. We follow US blindly. No matter what happens, we just follow US market, right? But what I was thinking is, maybe, yesterday or day before yesterday, I saw one news. The news was about that how India has overcome UK as a fifth largest economy. But you compare UK's population and our population, right? Their GDP and our GDP, of course, but population wise we are very huge. No, this is not at all enough. We have a long way to go, right? So still I believe we have this is a shorting opportunity. You can short the market. And if you are fearful, let me take you to the chart and show you something. If you are fearful, just hold till the market is, where is that? Yeah, maybe this level 17,400 or even 17,500 levels. 17,500 level seems to be a very, very strong support. If that 17,500 is taken, you can short the market. You don't have to believe me now, but in case Nifty goes below 17,500, you can short the market. And Bank Nifty is also the same case. It is very adamant. It is not ready to go on the downside no matter what. Every bad news is being digested by the Indian market. I am not talking about the global market. I am talking about the Indian market. So if Bank Nifty is closing below maybe these levels, 38,000, maybe 39,000 levels, you can short Nifty and Bank Nifty. All the stocks are super valued. There is no positive news. That's why we are behind shorting the call options in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So that is the news I have. And we cannot, there are lots of strategies and people talk about many things, and I will tell you something. Non-directional strategies are kind of not working now. You do a short straddle, short strangle, you have to have a best risk reward ratio, and sometimes you find it very hard to manage non-directional strategies. I am not saying it is not working 100%. Of course it is working, but you have to play it in a very tricky way. That is when it is going to work. Before 5 years, or even just before 1 year, or even just before 6 months, before this Russia-Ukraine issue was there, all non-directional strategies was working perfectly. But now last 4 or 5 months it's stopped working, or it's not working, or it is not up to its full potential, right? So we find markets super volatile, particularly September series first week we can see high volatility, one day going 450 points, next day coming down. So we find it very hard to trade non-directional strategies. That's why we have taken a directional bet. That's why we have sold call option, right? Now if you see the open interest wise, it is kind of scattered. People are writing both call option and put option aggressively. And if you see today, put option was being written, 17,600 put option is being written. So what does that mean is you have to take a counter action and sell call option. Not because I have so many call option, but you can see the open interest itself. From the open interest itself, people are writing from 17,700 to 18,000, 18,100, so on and so forth. And weekly options also, we can see that, Bank Nifty also, there is, in fact, they have squared off some, call option, and they have written put option. Put option, aggressive put option is being returned. Even 39,600 put option is being returned. That is in the money put option they are writing in Bank Nifty, which means they are super bearish in the Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. So highest open interest among call option is at around 40,000, right? This is the problem. When people have, writing in the money put option, that's the thing where you have to focus on, because people smart money believe that markets are bearish. That's why they have written in the money put option, right? They have bought in the money put option. And in terms of FII data, FIIs have sold around 811 crores in cash provision, and DIIs have bought for 533 crores. So let's hope for the best. Let us see if I am winning or losing this this market, this situation. In case I win, I will make good profit. In case I lose, I'm going to have to fight very hard. So that's how things work here, particularly when you take a directional bet, right? I hope I have summarized everything. Let's see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.